Hi, this video is the art of hair transplant restoration surgery, and this for restoring hairline for black African American men. As you know, hair transplant, especially the hairline restoration, is an art form. It requires a lot of the artistic and aesthetic detail to ensure a very natural result. One of the very few hair surgeons specializing in the art of restoring black hairline. On average, from the mid-eyebrow to the hairline is around 6.5 to 7 centimeter for black. So for this client, actually 6.5 centimeter is perfect. And then, as you know, he has a receding hairline corner. And so what we do, we lower the hairline and have it straight across. And then we build the temple as well. You can see here on this side. And so the temple, if we just lower the hairline without bringing the temple in, the hairline, the forehead looks too wide. So for this client, we actually got to bring the temple in. The temple is one of the most important aspect of framing the face for, especially for African American men. But any other ethnicity is important too. But for African American men, it's very, very important. The angle for the Caucasian is point most acute backward. Asians less acute, and for black men, it's actually perpendicular. For black woman, actually, or any woman, is pointed forward toward the midpoint. And you look this way too. Again, the temple will bother then. Now, how? On average, from the midpoint to the side of the temple is around 7 to 8.5 centimeter. As long as you fall within range, that's not a problem. So then there's a couple ways for us to draw it. If you see there's a divots from the point of the ear, and you just go straight up and go across straight up, and that's where the temple should go all the way down here, all this way up. And then when you draw a straight line across, you just drop it straight down, and where they intersect, that's where the temple should be. And that's one way to go about it, but you know, it doesn't have to be exactly the same. But to find the symmetry of your face, that's the best way to go about. So this is the art of hair transplant on a black African American man. We'll be attempting at least 2,000 grafts and build the front, lower the hairline, increase the hair frontal density, and then whatever left we work our way toward the back. We'll be using the FUE method. As you know, I'm one of the very few hair surgeons specializing in the art of restoring hair using FUE, and I'm not only specialized on FUE but specialized FUE on black curly hair. Through many years of experience, I invented the technique called the DFC technique. D is for Diep FUE Curve technique. It's a form of FUE, and it's the most advanced FUE technique, and what it does is it predicts where the curly roots lies and come in at a precise angle, harvest it out.